that the weather's warmed up a bit and the rains are gone, since my garage is so small, I have to have the door open to work on anything big. And now I'm working on my camper, replacing the front storage box, which is destroyed by the leaky seals around it. It was used when I got it. Anyways, so I'm going to share that with y'all, and hopefully it helps somebody. And here I'm taking out the screws that hold down the top of the box. There's about 6 of them if I remember right. And we've got to pry the top off. There's like glue stuff, weather sealing around it to keep the water out, which in my case did not work well, as you'll see later in the video. Having to pry it off with the top off, you can see how much damage there is. The floor was rotted all the way through. Now with it all cleaned off, I had to go back a little bit into the cab area. And there's the new flooring. I got the sides cut out. I still have to trim them. And check back again for more updates.